Welcome back, marketers. Today, we're diving into the powerhouse tool for advertising on the world's largest social media platform, Facebook Ads Manager. Whether you're a seasoned advertiser or just getting started, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate and optimize your campaigns like a pro. Step 1. Log in. First things first, let's log in and get acquainted with the interface. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Ads Manager dashboard. This is your control center for creating, managing, and analyzing your Facebook ad campaigns. Step 2. Navigate the interface. At the top, you'll find the main navigation menu, where you can access different sections like campaigns, ad sets, and ads. The left sidebar provides shortcuts to key areas such as audiences, creatives, and reports. Step 3. Create your first campaign. Now, let's create our first campaign. Click on the Create button and select your campaign objective. Whether it's driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting conversions, Facebook offers a range of objectives to suit your goals. Step 4. Configure your ad set. Once you've chosen your objective, it's time to configure your ad set. Here, you'll define your target audience, set your budget and schedule, and choose where your ads will be displayed. Step 5. Craft your ad creative. With your ad set ready, it's time to craft your ad creative. Facebook offers various ad formats, including images, videos, carousels, and slideshows. Choose the format that best showcases your product or service. Step 6. Monitor performance. As your campaigns run, it's essential to monitor their performance and make adjustments as needed. Head over to the Reports section to track key metrics like reach, engagement, and conversions. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up and navigating Facebook Ads Manager. With practice and experimentation, you'll unlock the full potential of this powerful advertising platform to reach your target audience and achieve your marketing objectives. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials on digital marketing. Until next time, happy advertising!